What's going on, guys? We got a YouTube video going on today. Good morning, by the way. We just drank our little cafecito. We got ready to get the day going. Oh, we got the two Type R's. We got them in the shop today, by the way. This is my humble home, you know. And look at him, the man, the myth, the legend himself. Hey, bro, so I heard we got a new... Oh, Leah, what are you doing? So I heard we got a new exhaust coming in.
I ordered one.
Oh, we're installing it today?
No, it's gonna be here in. So I emailed the company. They said it's gonna be out for like 18 days. So to mentally prepare myself, it's pretty much a straight pipe. I'm not gonna tell you guys what brand it is, but we're gonna be doing open downpipe today.
Open downpipe?
Yeah. That's
what we're gonna do?
Yeah.
Damn, you heard it, guys. We're gonna do open downpipe in the black CTR today. It's already loud as it is. That's what he says.
Definitely not.
He says he fell in love with the no of the Tomei. It's a little droney in the inside, but it's not that bad. After the deadening tape, it wasn't that bad. We installed some, what was it? What mil was it?
Kilmat.
Kilmat?
80 mil. We did like 3 layers on your car and like 2 on mine.
Yeah.
My car sounds like stock on the inside. But
yeah, it does. It sounds really quiet. Hey, Tomei's definitely a... Hey, if it ain't a Tomei, it ain't loud. Remember that. Move manual car back without having to turn it on.
Hacks 101.
It might go forward, Johnny.
It might go forward? Not today.
You see how light that is, bro?
My car's lighter than this. Shout out. Nightmare.
Right.
Weight reduction.
Where's it dry?
Where's it dry? Right there.
Sure?
A little bit. Well, down the middle, yeah. It's dry.
Coming down a little bit more, or right there?
No, you're good right there.
Bring it up?
So you're gonna be in the mud.
I'm gonna be right here, dog.
Alright, then you're gonna be in the mud.
You come up. Right there.
That, my friends, is how you move up. Hey,
POV? POV? Helpers? I should buy wheels.
yeah, you should buy wheels, bro. Honestly, black on black looks good, but you should definitely buy some wheels. Just buy wheels then.
Little G20 got better fitment than me right now.
So beater with a heater, bro. Show me the SR20, bro.
Look at that.
From the SR20.
Soon to be turboed.
So now it's time to work on the Type R to go ahead and get it into the garage. So now we're gonna go ahead and install. Well, we're gonna. I think he said he wanted to do a downpipe on it, open downpipe. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. And while we're waiting for the G20 at the moment, woo, we're gonna go ahead and take those bad boys out. Let's hear a little before and after before we get it out. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be way louder with the new one, bro. Imagine downpipe right now. Open downpipe, open front pipe, because we can't do the downpipe.
Kind of scared but excited at the same time.
It's gonna be loud, bro. Stupid loud. Stupidly loud. Damn. Let's see that Type R interior though. Oof. Sheesh. All right then. All right. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get underneath the car. We're gonna jack it up real fast, and then we're gonna take off the mufflers. Oh, bro, you have the eye back.
Yeah.
It's crazy. There's no strut back here. Well, there is, but it's just like this bridge. You did have no strut back here. You don't have struts back here. You think the springs are hard to do? What's right here?
GoPro.
Damn, bro, you have a massive fuel leak.
What?
You have a bunch of fuel leaking.
You wish.
Damn, bro, this
Where's
goes
the
loud,
14?
loud.
Is it?
Yeah. Wow.
Sweet. Tell me I shouldn't do it.
Are you okay?
So you telling me I shouldn't do it. What are you looking for?
Should I put the head on and then bring it in here or not? Nah, it's too tight.
Is it?
We're just vlogging right now, bro. It's just like a little vlog.
True. Just a little day in the life. Thinking of getting the J's Racing grill. It'd be a nice little touch. I think it just makes it look that much more aggressive. Right? The J's Racing grill.
Yeah, so we got the exhaust off. And we did the tips and the mid pipe and the resonator. And we got all the vents, all the clamps. And so we agreed that we were gonna leave the little section in between where the front pipe meets the exhaust, due to the fact that there's like a little under tray, plastic under tray underneath the car. I can't get underneath to show you guys, but we were afraid that it is gonna get kind of hot because it's closer up to the downpipe, and we don't want it to melt off. But I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but that's where we let off. I'll probably get a different angle from it. But yeah, so it has all this heat shielding. We should be pretty safe, just to wait until his other exhaust comes in, which I'm kind of excited for because it is gonna be pretty loud. So I'm pretty excited, and I think it's gonna sound really great. I have currently the Tomei Type D. It sounds personal favorite. I mean, I bought it, but I've heard a lot of comments. It is loud. It is very loud and obnoxious in the inside, but in my opinion, I think it sounds really great. And I know his is gonna sound really great. He got a new one, and he showed me a clip, and the turbo spool is kind of crazy. But this is currently where we ended it off. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a different angle, see if I can show you guys a bit better. Give me a quick second. But yeah, so, oh, by the way, it's the AFE, or
This?
yes.
Yeah, it says the Takeda catback.
Takeda catback. So it is with the resonator, and we realized that you could delete the resonator and get a 3-inch pipe instead if you want loudness, because it is a really great sounding exhaust. You guys can see 2 mufflers, a straight pipe in the middle. It's really great. I left the assemblies together because it's already lined perfectly. Carbon fiber tips. You could take these off. These are just sleeves if you really wanted to, but it is up for grabs. First come, first serve. Just to give you guys a quick preview of what I'm talking about, it is right about there where we cut it off. So we cut it off to the front of the car, being the front pipe right there. That's the last intersection. But after that, we should be pretty solid. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on for the first time. Do a little before and after. Who woke up the puppers? Damn.
Turbo whistle.
It's crazy. It's pretty tight. What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah, it sounds pretty sick.
Yeah.
Is it what you expected? Is it what you wanted?
Yeah, it's good.
Perfect.
It kind of sounds like the exhaust that I'm getting, but it's just coming out right here instead of at the back.
Yeah, it does.
It
Yeah.
gives it that nice, kind of like the tone, that deep, throaty tone.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like a typical Honda.
Yeah. Of course. Honestly, dude, I'm pretty impressed with the spool. And it sounds pretty crazy.
I don't think it's
The little whistle.
It's a high flow cat.
Yeah.
Because I've heard like open downpipe.
Oh, you have a high flow cat?
Yeah.
Huh. That's crazy. Wow.
Spoiler. Maybe you got a downpipe coming soon to go with the exhaust.
Ooh. Damn, my boy. You got it like that, bro?
No.
Préstame.
Go fund me down below.
Hey, GoFundMe. Hey, please. We need GoFundMe on this account because, I mean, we just started off and, like, parts are pretty expensive.
No joke.
Hey, but Jesus is balling.
Jesus is balling.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Little 330, no, to 328i.
Hey, if you can go through 6 cars, no, how many cars? If you can go through 5 cars in 6 months, hell yeah, you're balling. Well, we're gonna probably take it off the mounts now and see how it sounds on the inside.
Yeah.
Why not? Huh? All right, let's go ahead. Let's go, guys. So, first run on a downpipe. That's loud, though. I mean, I think you lose back pressure. I think you lost back That's loud. And you get good.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
It is disgusting. Overall, though, it's pretty dope. I think it's pretty cool. I think it sounds pretty badass. Like,
It sounds really good.
yeah. It sounds like the same pipes as the Tomage.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like
Yeah.
a Honda. Like give you a straight pipe like I don't know anything, B20, B16, B18.
Yeah, it sounds really deep. That's one thing I noticed. It sounds really deep. Dang.
It's nice.
Overall, I
Sounds
think
good.
Yeah, I think it
It
sounds
just
really great.
vibrates like a mug.
Yeah, it vibrates. Hopefully I can get some shots right now. Hopefully I can get some back shots right now. Whoa, fun. Hopefully I can get some shots right now of me driving behind him, and we can hear a little bit. I can give him some feedback on how it sounds. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. This is gonna be until next time. Peace out.